girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have James Arthur is singing karaoke to us, and you can actually sing karaoke to this introduction of this tutorial. So I played one verse, one chorus for you. Let's do this in a very simple way. And the easiest scenario for us is to have the capo set on 4th position. Okay, so 4th fret, capo on there, and we're gonna learn 5 chords. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna play C first, and that goes 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor next. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. E minor come up there, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have F, which is a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the 1st fret and you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the last chord will be G. And that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. All right. 5 simple chords. Now let's learn a simple string pattern as well. So we're going to start the song with C. So grab that chord, and one string round is about 4 downs like this. Notice I'm trying to separate where I play the downs. I play on the bass mid area for all downs except from the 3rd down. I go down and play on the higher top strings down there. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is 1 string around. So I'm going to take you through this song. We're going to start with the first verse. The chord progression there will be to play C, 4 string rounds, A minor 4, E minor 4, and F4. You're going to play it for 2 rounds. I'm going to take you through 1 round, and it goes like this. A minor, E minor, and F. That is 1 chord progression round. You're going to play 2, and that's going to take you into the first chorus. You're going to play C4 now, A minor 4, then F4, and G4. Okay? So 1 round goes like this. A minor, F, and G. That is 1 chord progression round. You're going to play 2 here as well, and that is the first chorus. So far, everything is nice, and from now on, there's not that much new to learn. The second verse is actually played in the same way as the first chorus, okay? So it starts like that. So you're going to play C4, A minor 4, F4, G4. That's the first round in this second verse. The second round is to play as in the first verse. Okay, so you're gonna play C4, A minor 4, E minor 4, and F4. So again, a total 2 rounds. The first round is a chorus play, and the second round is a verse play, and that will be the second verse. Okay. Next up is the second chorus, and that is playing exact same way as the first chorus. No changes there. C4, A minor 4, F4, G4. For 2 rounds. And then after that, we have just the outro part left. And guess what? You're just going to continue with the chorus play for another 1 round. And that is the end, my friends, of James Arthur's karaoke song. So very straightforward song. You're going to play the same string pattern and just focus on these 5 chords going back and forth throughout the song. So good luck with this one, guys. I really enjoy doing these tutorials for you. Hope you enjoyed it as well. And show me some love back, please. Come on. Just 1 click. Thank you so much, and play tuned.